And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the Cite tag. It's used to define a title of a creative work, and it by default displays the text in the browser as italic or in italic. Let me just add a second paragraph for an example. Let's just say the book 1984 is by George Orwell. And if I just save it like this, it's going to be displayed as regular text. So there is no specific formatting here, but now I add the Cite tag, opening and closing tags, to the book title, and now it's in italic. Usually it's used for books, movies, maybe paintings, all of the creative works that you can think of, poems. There are no specific attributes for it. You can as always use the global ones. And this is all there is to know about the Cite tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.